When you first think of healthy food, what are the words that come to mind? Boring, plain, flavorless? Well, I'm here to tell you at Pachavega that is simply not the case. We are the bridge between healthy and delicious. My brother once said, it doesn't matter how healthy the food is. If it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna eat it. And it's totally true. We have to have deliciousness in our mouth to make it sustainable, to inspire the fire within us to get into the kitchen and make the food that's going to heal our body and ignite our spirit. The food that you eat has to taste good. I mean, when you put that bite into your mouth, you want to go, yum, 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 yum. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. And that's what we teach at Pachavega. Eating is one of the most beautiful pleasures of life, but we all know we could eat a little healthier. We just don't know how to make that food taste good. Healthy food does not have to be boring or taste flavorless. It's the exact opposite, actually. Creating food that tastes so delicious that makes you want to eat it again and again and again, but is also healthy, nutrient dense, and can heal the body from the inside out, that is where the magic lies, and that is what we teach at Pachavega.
I loved this course. It was amazing. The foods that we made were incredible. They were beyond my wildest expectations of what I could make.
I love that I now feel confident and that I will inspire others to look into being curious to incorporate more plants into their diets. So regardless of where they are on this journey.
I just want to say what an amazing opportunity it was for me to take the Pachavega raw food course. I just finished level 1.
Hi, my name is De Haviland, aka Chef Fiji. I just finished the level 1 program with Pachavega.
Hi, I'm Leah Brooks and I'm a recent participant in the level 1 plant-based raw culinary course held through Pachavega with Danielle. And I've got to say my experience was amazing. I feel like I was able to take a lot of practical skills away and implement them into our lifestyle.
The course curriculum was loaded with so much information, so much knowledge, so much more than I even expected. And I learned about sprouting, fermentation, and the importance of incorporating seaweeds and algae in my diet. So these are things that I started doing on a regular basis.
Danielle is an awesome teacher. The way she breaks everything down makes it so easy to have a raw food vegan diet, and it's not intimidating at all. The food is delicious. I'm overall thrilled with the experience, and I recommend it to anyone.
I must say, if your mindset has already changed around food, but you're just not sure how to start and stay motivated, then this is the program for you. It is life-changing and will definitely set you up for success.
That's my job, and my passion is to take the most healthy, nutritious, nutrient-dense food on the planet and make them into this gourmet food that has all the flavors, all the textures, all the colors, that makes you want to come back for more because it makes your body feel so good and it tastes so good. This is essential in what we share at Pachavega.